Zerodha CEO Nitin Kamath is urging traders to file advance taxes before the March 15 deadline. The article discusses what advance taxes are and how to file them. It also explains that profits from F&O and intraday trading are considered business income and must be estimated for the entire financial year. The Income Tax Department has launched an e-campaign to inform people about the deadline. Advance taxes are required if you have an estimated tax liability of $10,000 or more in capital gains. Zerodha has a quick guide on their website to help traders file advance taxes. Advance tax is a tax that is paid in advance on your estimated tax liability for the year. It is important to file advance taxes to avoid interest and penalties. The deadline for filing advance taxes is March 15th for the current financial year. If you expect your tax liability for the year to be less than $10,000, you are not required to file advance taxes. However, it is still a good idea to file advance taxes if you can, as this will help you avoid a large tax bill at the end of the year. There are a number of ways to calculate your advance tax liability. You can use a tax calculator or consult with a tax advisor. Once you have calculated your advance tax liability, you can make payments online or through your bank. It is important to keep records of your advance tax payments for your tax records. Filing advance taxes can help you avoid interest and penalties. It can also help you budget for your taxes throughout the year. If you are unsure about how to file advance taxes, you can consult with a tax advisor. The Income Tax Department website also has information on how to file advance taxes. Advance taxes are an important part of the tax system in India. They help to ensure that taxes are paid throughout the year, rather than in a lump sum at the end of the year. Filing advance taxes can help you avoid financial hardship. It can also help to reduce your tax burden over time. If you have any questions about advance taxes, you can contact the Income Tax Department. There are a number of resources available to help you understand advance taxes. Filing advance taxes is a relatively simple process. It can be done online or through your bank. By filing advance taxes, you can help to ensure that you are meeting your tax obligations.